Hello guys, myself AK. Hope you all are well. So let's start today's English communication learning program. And the first scene is Toy Shop. Here is a parent and a shopkeeper talking to each other at the toy shop. Parent: Excuse me, I would like to buy some toys for my daughter. Shopkeeper: How old is she, sir? Parent: She is 5 years old. Shopkeeper: Do you want soft toys or electronic games toys, etc.? Parent: Let me see all the varieties and then I shall select the ones I want. Shopkeeper: Certainly, sir. Parent: The child is too young for these electronic games. We can buy her those later. Shopkeeper: Children love these teddy bears and pink rabbits and monkeys. Would you like one of them? They are moving fast these days. Parent: They look cuddly and attractive. How much do they cost? Shopkeeper: The teddy bear is for 200 rupees. The pink rabbit cost 175. The elephant 300 and the monkey 150. Parent: What about the Barbie dolls in that corner? Shopkeeper: It is an Indian Barbie doll and cost 320. Parent: That is quite expensive. Shopkeeper: But they are very durable and non-breakable. They will last till your daughter grows up. Parent: Let me have a look at some of the electronic toys. Shopkeeper: Would you like me to keep any of these aside? Parent: Not before I have seen the other things. Shopkeeper: Alright, sir. This is a keyboard with many pre-recorded tunes. Then this is a train, a car, and a remote controlled aeroplane. Parent: These must be more expensive than the soft toys. Shopkeeper: That they are, sir, but they are very sophisticated. We never had such a range when we were young. Children these days are very lucky. Parent: One should be able to afford it too. Let me take a monkey and the aeroplane for the present. What discount will you give? Shopkeeper: I can offer you a 10% discount, sir. Parent: That's too little. Make it 20. Shopkeeper: That is impossible, sir. The maximum discount I can offer you is 15%. Parent: Alright. Please gift wrap both of them. Shopkeeper: Here is your bill, sir. Parent: Thank you. Shopkeeper: My pleasure, sir. Please visit us again. So, this is the scene of Toy Shop. Next, we will see the scene of a children park. Here, some children are playing, and two children, George and Ali, are talking to each other. Let's see. George: Hello there. My name is George. What is your name? Ali: I am Ali. I have never seen you in the park before. George, we have moved into this locality recently. Ali, welcome to our colony park. George, do you come here every day? Ali, yes, we play cricket and other games every evening. I am waiting for my friends to come. George, will you allow me to join you in the games? Ali, you are most welcome. We love making new friends. George, I can see some children coming in this direction. Ali, oh, those are the friends I mentioned. Hari, Firoz, Radha, Kavita, Alpana, Sameer, Wazid and Murtaza. I'll introduce them to you. George, oh, how wonderful it will be have so many new friends. I was scared that I'll be lonely in this new place. Ali, no chance of that. From today, you are a part of our group. George, thanks for saying that. It make me feel very happy. So guys, this is the scene of a children park. You have listened. Now next we will listen the scene of a bangle store. Here lady and salesman and his sailor boy is talking. The scene is bangle store. Salesman, start. Salesman, please come in madam. What can I do for you? Lady, I would like to buy some bangles. Salesman, please go in. That boy will show you whatever you want. Boy, please come here madam. Please come. Lady, what are the varieties of bangles available at your shop? Boy, we have glass bangles, stone bangles and plastic bangles. We also have the latest variety of metal bangles in different colors. Lady, I would prefer plain colored glass bangles. How much do they cost? Boy, just 8 rupees a dozen, madam. Lady, what about the metal bangles? How much would they cost? Boy, only 15 rupees a dozen. Lady, that would be a little too expensive. Boy, it isn't madam. Our prices are quite reasonable compared to the other bangle stores. Lady, I need a dozen blue and a dozen green bangles. Do you have a bangle stand? Boy, there are 3 sizes in bangle stands. Size 1 cost 60 rupees, size 2 40 and size 3 25. Lady, give me a size 1 stand. Can you reduce the cost? Boy, just a moment. I'll ask the owner of the shop. After few moments later, he has agreed to reduce it by 10 rupees. You will have to pay only 50 rupees for that stand. Lady, I'll take it. I am also interested in buying some lace for my daughter's dress. Boy, which color would you like? Lady, I think white or pink would be fine. Let me see both. Boy: this white one is 20 rupees a meter. The narrow pink one is 30 rupees. Lady: then I'll take 3 meters of each. Boy: madam, are you interested in buying wool, crochet thread, or hairbands and bindis? Lady: let me see then I'll decide. Boy: certainly, madam, here they are. A few moments later. Lady: no, I don't think I need any of these now. I'll buy them some other time. I'm getting late. Please give me the bill. Boy: okay. Here is your bill, madam. Lady: thank you. Boy: please visit us again, madam. So, this is the scene of a bangle shop. Hope you guys are catching each point. So, let's see the next scene on the bus. Here, driver, passenger, and conductor talking to each other in a bus. So that is for today, guys. We will meet in next video soon. Thank you. Bye bye.